Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 16 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to kitchen. As usual, we have divided the lesson into 3 sets, and they are grouped based on the difficulty of the vocabulary and on how commonly they are used. You can choose to stop at any set according to level of expertise you are looking for. Let's start off with the easy set and most commonly used vocabulary set. Kitchen.
La cuisine.
Stove.
La cuisinière.
Oven.
Le four.
Refrigerator.
Le réfrigérateur.
Freezer.
Le congélateur.
Sink.
L'évier.
Microwave.
Le micro-ondes.
Dishwasher.
Le lave-vaisselle.
Table.
La table.
Chair.
La chaise.
Plate.
L'assiette.
Bowl.
Le bol.
Cup.
La tasse.
Glass.
Le verre.
Fork.
La fourchette.
Knife.
Le couteau.
Spoon.
La cuillère.
Napkin.
La serviette.
Pot.
La marmite.
Pan.
La poêle.
That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Cutting board.
La planche à découper.
Blender.
Le mixeur.
Mixer.
Le batteur.
Toaster.
Le grille-pain.
Coffee maker.
La cafetière.
Kettle.
La bouilloire.
Spatula.
La spatule.
Ladle.
La louche.
Measuring cup.
Le verre doseur.
Rolling pin.
Le rouleau à pâtisserie.
Grater.
La râpe.
Colander.
La passoire.
Whisk.
Le fouet.
Peeler.
L'éplucheur.
Can opener.
L'ouvre-boîte.
Bottle opener.
Le décapsuleur.
Cutting knife.
Le couteau de cuisine.
Garlic press.
Le pressail.
Sieve.
Le tamis.
Timer.
Le minuteur.
Scissors.
Les ciseaux.
That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the final set. Pressure cooker.
L'autocuiseur.
Slow cooker.
La mijoteuse.
Food processor.
Le robot culinaire.
Mandolin slicer.
La modoline.
Juicer.
Le presse-agrumes.
Ice cream maker.
La sorbetière.
Mortar and pestle.
Le mortier et pilon.
Thermometer.
Le thermomètre.
Deep fryer.
La friteuse.
Zester.
Le zesteur.
Pastry brush.
Le pinceau à pâtisserie.
Dough scraper.
Le racle-pâte.
Melon baller.
La cuillère à melon.
Potato masher.
Le presse-purée.
Egg slicer.
Le tranche-œuf.
Salad spinner.
L'essoreuse à salade.
Gravy boat.
La saucière.
Cookie cutter.
L'emporte-pièce.
Cheese grater.
La râpe à fromage.
Meat thermometer.
Le thermomètre à viande.
Kitchen scale.
La balance de cuisine.
Basting brush.
Le pinceau de cuisine.
Pastry bake.
La poche à douille.
Skimmer.
L'écumoire.
Tarte pan.
Le moule à tarte.
Muffin tin.
Le moule à muffin.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. Excellent work and congratulations. We will meet again in the next video.